Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Canva AI videos. Canva's innovative artificial intelligence tools make video creation accessible and straightforward for everyone, regardless of their design experience. You can quickly generate engaging video content, transforming your ideas into dynamic visual stories with ease. The platform offers a vast library of templates and media assets, providing a solid foundation for your creative projects. This process saves you significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on your message. To begin your AI video project, first open Canva and select either a pre-designed video template or a blank canvas. Next, navigate to the Magic Media or Apps section within the editor, which houses the artificial intelligence video generation tools. Here, you will input your desired text prompt, providing the AI with clear instructions for your video's content. Finally, choose your preferred video style and aspect ratio, such as 16:9 for widescreen, to set the stage for your creation. Once your initial AI video is generated, the real fun of customization begins. You can easily edit individual scenes, adding or removing elements to perfectly match your vision. Incorporate your unique brand colors, fonts, and logos to maintain consistency across all your content. Enhance the viewer experience by adding background music, professional voiceovers, and engaging sound effects. Finally, adjust the video timing and transitions between scenes to achieve a smooth, polished, and professional final product. After refining your video, it is time to preview your complete creation to ensure every detail is perfect. Once satisfied, you can easily download your video in high-definition MP4 format, ensuring excellent quality for all platforms. Canva allows you to share your video directly to popular social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, or send it via email. Remember to optimize your video settings for various online destinations, ensuring it looks fantastic wherever it is viewed by your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.